Right, I thought I'd show you my birds, as long as I can get this right this time. This is the two Latinos, in a panic. There's Sugar, or Spice it could be, and that could be Sugar or Spice. And there's the toy that they got, which they're a little bit scared of at the moment. In fact, they're a little bit scared about it. They've had sweet corn today. As you can see, not a lot less of it, and they've thrown everything in the bottom. This is the Budger's. There's Frank. There's Birch. There's Babe. And there's the mean old N. That's Sky. So Sky wants her toys back. So what we're going to do is give her her toys back. This is what she likes to do. I put them in like that. They're a little bit scared at the moment for some reason. I don't know why. I'm going to go in. No, she's not going to go in. Being silly. As you can see, they're all being silly. Anyway, there's Mr. Squeaker. Where is he? There he is. What a handsome chap he is, isn't he? And the girl's in her box. Over there. But there's the boy. She's looking with her stuff. Anyway, that's them.